In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Canva newspaper template. We'll begin right on the Canva homepage. Open your browser and head to Canva. If you're new, a free account is perfectly fine. Sign in if prompted so your work saves automatically as you go. From the homepage, open the templates area and use the search bar to type newspaper template. You'll see a gallery of newspaper style designs ranging from classic broadsheet looks to modern newsletter layouts. Feel free to narrow the results by style or color, and keep an eye on which options are free versus paid so you can pick one that matches your needs. When you spot a layout that fits the tone you're after, click it to open the preview. Take a moment to flip through any included pages and look at the headline sizes, column structure, and image placement. Choose something that already does most of the heavy lifting for your content, whether it's announcements, school news, or a community bulletin. Next, click Customize this template. This opens the design in the Canva editor. Click anywhere on the template to activate editing. You can now select individual elements like headlines, subheads, and body text and start tailoring them to your story. Replace the placeholder text with your own copy. Use the toolbar at the top to adjust font family, size, alignment, and spacing so your columns are easy to read. Keep headlines clear and punchy, use consistent subhead styles, and make sure body text contrasts well against the background for that authentic newspaper feel. On the left sidebar, you'll find everything you need to shape the design. Templates lets you swap in alternate page layouts without starting over. Elements offers lines, shapes, and frames you can use to separate sections or create pull quotes. Photos gives you stock imagery, while Uploads lets you bring in your own pictures. Drag an image over a frame until it snaps into place. Text adds new headings or captions. Try to stick with 2 or 3 complementary fonts to keep things cohesive. For final polish, use position to align items and nudge elements with your arrow keys for precise spacing. Keep generous margins, limit color to black, white, and maybe one accent, and size images so they support rather than overpower your stories. Duplicate a page from the page panel if you need more sections with the same structure. Canva saves changes automatically, so you can take breaks without losing progress. And that's the process. Start on the homepage, search for newspaper templates, pick your favorite, customize it, and use the left sidebar to fine-tune every detail. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional newspaper layout ready for your content.